Hi guys, so we're here again with another math, the IV flow rate math practice problem. So it says that a healthcare provider has ordered dobutamine 10 microgram per kilogram per minute via IV for a 65-year-old patient who weighs 174 pounds. The dobutamine is available in 1,000 milligram per 250 milliliter. Now they're saying at what rate would you set the IV pump, infusion pump? So because it's IV infusion pump, we're gonna need the answer to be in milliliter per hour. So we go ahead and we set down our math. We're gonna take out all the numbers that we need to use, and then we're gonna adjust them accordingly. So we're going to say 10 microgram per kilogram per minute is needed. And the patient weight, which is 174 pounds, we put that over 1 for now. And then we times that by 1,000 milligram over 250 milliliter. Now, I see that I need more space, so I'm going to go ahead and make some space for us. So we're going to say that this is actually the first step we're going to take. Now, the second step we're going to take is we're going to go ahead and expand. As you guys know, I do dimensional analysis because that way I don't get confused. So I say 10 microgram per kilogram per minute. But remember, they need it in milliliter per hour. So we need to get that hour in. So we're going to expand that minute. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to say 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. And as you could see, the minutes matches with the minutes at the top, minutes at the bottom, so that when we're ready to cancel out, it would make it easier. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to say 1,000 microgram is equal to 1 milligram, because as again I say, we are expanding. We're going to go ahead again and we're going to use the patient weight. So we're going to say 174 pounds. We put that over 1 times 2.2 pound is equal to 1 kilogram. And we're going to go ahead and, because remember, we need it in milliliter. So we're going to go ahead and put the 250 milliliter at the top over 1,000 milligram. So we're going to put the milligram at the bottom. Now, at this point, we are going to start taking stuff out. So, we're going to say milligram takes out milligram. Then we're going to say kilogram takes out kilogram. Minutes take out minutes. Microgram kicks out microgram. And pounds take out pounds. Now we're left with milliliter per hour, which is what we really need. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and we are going to cross multiply. So we're going to say 10 times 60 times 174 times 250 will give us 26,100,000. Now, for the bottom, we are going to go ahead and say 1,000 times 2.2 times 1,000 times 1,000 is equal to 2,200,000. Now, y'all know I don't work with zeros, so I go ahead and take them zeros out, and we're left with 261 over 22. So when we go ahead and we work that out, we're going to get 11.86. And based on BC rounding rule, that will give us 11.9 milliliter per hour. So if you have any question, you could always drop them in the comment, and I'm here to answer.